In the midst of my life, one passes through. Through the valley of death, there were shadows too, and the roaring lion of the ones to kill, to steal, and devour against our will. Like Ulysses, I crossed the sea, and my life's odyssey. Apostle Andre, you've crossed the sea and you've come home. You are the arrow, you've hit the target. Your voyage has come to an end at the heavenly port, and now you can rest. You're a remarkable man. You taught hundreds and thousands of people, and through the effects of what you said, you've influenced millions of people. And I just want to pay tribute to you. You are a different man. You were a pastor, but you're also an artist, probably the only one I've ever known. And you had a different way of seeing things, and you had a different way of seeing people. You had a remarkable way of looking through the outer shell of people into their true intentions, and you loved the true selves of people. So I just want to thank you for everything you've done, and I'm happy because I know you're resting with Jesus, and you will get a great reward in heaven for everything you've done. And also, I wrote it down in this book because I know how obsessed you were with writing things down. Goodbye, Apostle Andre.